Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Today is the 16th of April. Here are your band announcements for next week, the 19th through the 23rd, fifth week of fourth quarter. Who would have thunk? We're already that far along. All right, junior high kids. Here's a link to the calendar. All of our stuff is up there. There will not be a junior high concert in May, unfortunately. Next Friday is a band day. 8th graders, you will have lessons next week. 5th grade, drummers, here's the auxiliary folks. Clara, Ember, Gwen, Chaz. Make sure that you bring your snare drum for when there isn't an auxiliary part. Bell players, Avery, Maya, Braxton, Allison. Snare drum players, Addison, Isaac, Elliot, Lucas. Let's see, there's a show choir showcase. We will not be comboing for show choir, but here's the show choir for all you singer dancers. If you are quarantined, check out the schedule here and zoom in with us using the link on Google Classroom just to hang out and see yo people so you don't get quite so lonely. High school folks, lots to talk about. Next Friday is a band day. We have a high school band choir concert on Cinco de Mayo, Wednesday, May 5th. It starts at 7. We're going to set up after school at 3:30, and our call time is going to be 6 o'clock. Wear nice clothes, and if you want to add a little festive flair with like a small sombrero, you're welcome to do that. We'll be setting up and performing outside the South Wing entrance near the Circle Drive. So if you are going to attend the concert, parents, make sure that you're wearing your mask. And make sure that you're staying with the people you came with, and make sure that you bring a lawn chair or a blanket or something to sit on. We will be enforcing mask wearing. Graduation is Sunday, May 16th at 3 o'clock. We're going to go ahead and make our call time at 2 o'clock p.m. That is just nice clothes, and that will be outdoors this year, so we're still figuring out where exactly we'll be sitting and performing from. Memorial Day. Every year, the Gridley American Legion asks us to play in the parade and the ceremony for Memorial Day. It's a great honor for us, a really good way for us to serve those who serve us. That's May 31st. That's Memorial Day this year, and it's in Gridley, which is not El Paso, for those who are new to this area. We warm up at 9:30 at the junior high, which is in Gridley. So make sure that you're not showing up to the high school at 9:30 because I won't be there. I'll be here at the junior high. The parade starts at 10 in downtown Gridley, and then the ceremony is at 11 out at the cemetery. I do request that you bring some dishes to pass for after the parade. We kind of have a snack lunch there before this ceremony. Let's see. Show choir showcase for all my combo kids is April 30th and May 1st at 6:30 p.m. There's two call times. The Friday call time is 5:30. The Saturday call time is 4 o'clock, but that's for people taking photos. I don't know if we'll be in photos, so talk to Mr. Schaefer about that because he knows. Combo rehearsals. Hi-Fi rehearses Wednesday mornings, and Mods rehearses Wednesday and Thursday afternoons during 8th hour. Other information that you guys need to know about, I will be sending out a link for us to vote on awards, and we need to get our senior gift train rolling along and get our leadership auditions going for next year as well. So all of that information will be coming out next week. Be on the lookout for that during class, folks. If you have any questions about anything at all, band related or anything else, please hit me up. Have a great weekend, folks.